In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a draft quote in Xero. If you're navigating through your Xero account and need to update a draft quote, it's a pretty straightforward process, but it's always helpful to walk through it step by step for clarity. Let's begin by logging into your Xero account. Ensure you've got your login credentials ready. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're entering them correctly to avoid any possible errors. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Sales section of your dashboard. Xero provides an intuitive layout, so finding the Sales option should be fairly straightforward. This is where you'll manage your invoices, quotes, and other sales-related documents. After locating the Sales tab, go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down where you'll find multiple options. The one you want here is Quotes. Clicking on Quotes will take you to the section where all your quote activities are handled. Once you're in the Quotes section, you'll see several tabs that categorize your quotes based on their status, such as All, Draft, Sent, and more. Your focus should be on the Draft tab, where all your unsent draft quotes reside. Click on the Draft tab to bring up a list of all the quotes that you've saved but haven't finalized yet. It's all neatly organized, so finding the draft you need shouldn't be too difficult. Take a moment to locate the particular draft quote that you wish to edit. Once you've found it, click on the quote to open it up. This will take you into the detailed view where you can adjust the contents as needed. Now, at this point, you have the freedom to make whatever changes are necessary to your draft quote. Maybe you need to update some pricing details, adjust quantities, or perhaps there are corrections to be made in the description. Whatever the case may be, take your time to ensure that all changes are correct and reflect what you intend to send to your client. Attention to detail here will save you from potential back and forths with your client after the quote is eventually sent. Once you are satisfied with all the amendments you've made, look for the Save button, which is usually found at the bottom or top right-hand side of the screen. Click it to apply all your changes, ensuring that your edited draft is now updated and ready for any subsequent steps you might want to take, like sending it to the client for approval. Remember, saving is an important step. Otherwise, you might lose all the edits you've worked on. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully edited a draft quote in Xero. Hopefully, this walkthrough has made the process a little clearer. Feel free to revisit this guide if you need a refresher, and thanks for joining me today.